Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Actually, this is my good side here.
Lucky, can you rotate until the pipe is above the cushion?
All right, I'll try.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Boy, you're in a heap. No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my uncle.
Lanny is right. I went to the car wash after Lanny was there, and everything was fine.
They're really stuck. They wouldn't move at all. Do you think we need to cut off a side of the...
Didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Oí que es el más veloz.
That's a great game! Hiding things with your hook is the best game.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't. just happened?
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Miss Fritter's race.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
¡Son tubos de escape!
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
What?
So don't.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Get your rusty tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Well, you know, race cars don't need headlights because the track is always lit.
Yeah, well, so's my...
Identified as Crop Hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Meta?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop.
Thanks, guys. Nice.
Deanna! Yeah? I'll transport the kids to their school. Yeah.
The paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Hot
not, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys.
Of course. All in all, must be finished for good.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Salve. It is official. Lightning McQueen.
Jackson,
Obrigado, pessoal. Obrigado. Eu que agradeço. Obrigado.